hurt you.
Why?
It's zip tied tight on there now. God damn it! Son of a bitch!
God darn it, man.
Fuck!
Come on, Dustin.
I hate you.
Why?
Ah, you motherfucker.
You get it?
No! God damn it. Piece of shit.
What you need to get it off, man?
Your mama.
Here, let me come lend you some assistance.
Get away from my Jesus. I'm gonna try to run you over.
Ow!
Seriously, get away from my Jeep. I'm gonna turn on and run you over.
Why are you so mad, Dustin? Hey, don't hit my Jeep.
Fuck you.
I will destroy your Jeep because my Jeep is bigger than your Jeep. Not hurting me.
You getting the picture yet?
No.
Better?
Yeah.
Getting the picture yet?
Yeah, I get it.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Fuck you.
You need some help underneath there?
What the fuck was that? Shit.
What? That was me getting on the ground.
How many did you fucking put on here?
What?
Are you taking pictures of this shit?
No.
Bullshit. You put them on the forum yet?
No.
Bullshit.
Not yet.
How many did you put on there?
Enough.
Is it just those two? Come on, dude.